Hello everyone, my name is Eden Diwambara and this is Brandedge TV, bringing you another episode of our business show, The Game. Remember, the game is business and business is the game. On today's episode on The Game, we're going to talk about finance management policies that drives business growth. Oftentimes, a lot of people neglect, the aspect of having financial management in their businesses. First of all, money can be overwhelming, success can be overwhelming, growth can also be overwhelming. So when you don't have, when you are not disciplined in financial management, your business will not grow. So today I'm going to give us essential tips on effective financial management that drives business growth. Number one, establish a solid budgeting process. Okay, budgeting helps you to allocate resources effectively. It helps you to manage cash flow. It also helps you to make right decisions. So your budgeting should be detailed and based on realistic assumptions. So let me give you an instance. A lot of persons do not consider budgeting when they are growing their businesses. But it's very, very important that you consider it because it will help you to manage your expenditures. It will help you to manage the policies, what goes in and what comes out of your business. Let's take for instance, you want to employ staff and you have a small scale business that generates about 100,000 naira a month, profit a month. So you cannot come and employ somebody that you pay, let's say, 50,000 naira every month and employ them about five. So now, how are you going to make all your expenses, that entails paying your taxes, paying your shop rent or office rent, transportation, diesel, the generator or power supply that you're using, with all other taxes, and then pay monthly allowances to about five staff and still maintain your business. So you are actually planning way above your budget. So you should consider the size of your business, consider the cash flows, how money comes in and how money goes out. Weigh your options, balance it very well, so that when you are employing staff or your employees, or when you are actually trying to organize any program or event or anything that will help in the business growth, you make sure it goes according to your budget. Let your budget be realistic. You can't be earning 100,000 naira profit in a month and you're employing five staff that you'll be paying 50,000. Do you know what it is? It means that you are planning above your budget. So the budget has to be based on realistic assumptions. You cut down excesses, manage your cash flow, money that comes in and money that goes out. All right, that takes us to number 2 point. Implement a cash management system. Okay, this means having enough cash on hand to achieve your financial obligations and growth opportunities that comes your way. And again, you need to monitor your cash flows regularly to avoid surprises. A lot of business owners do not know how to manage funds because the money comes directly to them, because they are the sole owners of their businesses. They tend to mismanage funds. You open a business, you are overwhelmed with the inflow that comes into the business. There is no balance. You want to weigh your options. The next thing, they lavish the money, you throw parties, you do charity, you do a lot of things. Charity is good, but before you do all those things, make sure that you have a budget. Manage your inflows, monitor the money that comes into your business and the money that leaves your business. When you must have weighed your options, you now know how much is the profit that you earn. Can my profit foot all my bills? Can my profit, take care of unforeseen circumstances, because unforeseen circumstances comes up too in businesses. Can the profit that you generate pay my staff? Can the profit that you generate pay all your debts? Can the profit that you generate, put all your bills? When you must have done that, then you can actually say, okay, I am mapping all this particular money for charity. I'm doing this thing to mapping all this particular money to fulfill this purpose that will grow my business. So you need to have cash at hand for business growth, for opportunities that will grow your business. Let's say, for instance, you want to run adverts. You also need cash at hand to do all these things. You must have balanced yourself and weighed in on the options that this advert is going to generate visibility for me. It's going to bring customers for me. Then you know how to put in the money so that you can actually achieve that growth that you want in your business. So mismanagement of funds has really affected a lot of business owners, and it brought down their businesses to the scratch. A lot of businesses have folded today because they don't know how to manage their finances. Anything goes for them. Once money coming, you use it and do whatever you want to do. There is no checks and balances in the businesses. That is why at the end of the day, the businesses does not last. Before you know it, the business is down the drain, and it is what it is. So we go to number 3 option. Invest in technology. We are in the world of information technology. Everyone is adopting IT because it makes our work efficient, it makes it effective and swift. So as a business owner, you need to invest in technology because this technology will help to reduce workload for you and to reduce workforce for you. Now, there are some technologies that you need. So you need to identify the particular technology that you need to employ or adopt in your business. You know, in managing your finances in your business, you need there are software applications that you need that can help you to have your data entry, bookkeeping, and the rest of them. So you need to invest in technology. It will help you to manage your business well and take accurate checks and balances, take accurate details of what is happening in the financial aspect of your business. So we move into the next point, number 4. Manage finances regularly. Here, monthly and quarterly reviews of your finances will help you stay on top of your finances and make adjustments as needed. So you should manage finances regularly. You should monitor it regularly. Know what is happening in your finances. Know what is happening in your business. When money comes in, know how it came in. When money leaves your account, your business, know how it actually looks, how it goes about. Do not just relax and don't take accurate accounts of what is going on in your finances in your business. So monitor your finances regularly. It will enable you to make adjustments as needed so that if anything comes up, you know how to balance yourself, put yourself together so that you will not be thrown off balance. So this is another point. We go to point number 6. Manage debt effectively. It is very important. Most businesses depend on loan to grow. Most businesses depend on just normal patronage that comes from customers. So if you're a business owner that is actually on loan, always ensure that you manage your debts carefully. Understand that you are actually in debt and find a way to manage your debts so that you don't go down in your business. So first of all, try to identify the debt that has a higher interest rate. Focus on those ones to clear it as soon as possible so that you will not keep paying debt for a long period of time. So managing your debt effectively will help you stand out in your business. Don't collect loan from banks to do something else and expect that you use your computer and pay back. Or let me collect loan, money will come, I know how I'm going to sort it out. It doesn't work that way. Let's say your business is, you need 100 million naira to actually do this business and you are able to get a loan of 150 million. Make sure that you are putting it in that business and make sure that you are working towards paying back the loan. Some persons will collect loan for business and use it for another thing and expect a miracle to happen for them to pay back. Before you know it, they start defaulting. They cannot pay back. Before you know it, the business starts going down and you blame your village people. No. So when you're actually in debt, understand how you pay your debt. Draft out a budget on how that debt should be paid Add it as part of your expenses in your business. Ensure that you are following it diligently. Calculate it very well in a way that this is how much I am marking out in a month to offset my debt. Give yourself time. Okay, I need to offset this debt in the next 6 months, because the more you are allowing it to linger, the more your interest is increasing and the more your business is running down. You will end up using your capital to pay your debt instead of using your profit to pay your debt. So please, debt management is good in managing finances that drives business growth, because a lot of big businesses still need this loan from banks to actually grow their businesses. So focus on it. Know the need for the loan. Know the essence of collecting that loan. When you put it in your business, work towards paying it off so that you will relax and you will grow your business. Okay, with these 3 points I mentioned earlier, it brings us to the end of the finance management policies that drives business growth. And by applying these policies, a business can build a strong financial foundation and pursue growth opportunities with confidence. I feel many your best business host, Ogendi Mwabara. And do not forget to follow us on our social media handles. Follow us on Instagram, Brandedge TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Brandedge TV. Our Facebook is Brandedge TV, and our website is www.brandedge.tv. Remember, the game is business, and business is the game. Thank you for watching.